let's test to be sure that all the latches release together. So you can take each latch, push down on the top black part till it snaps over here. We're simulating closing of the hood. All latches are operated. Now, I'm going to depress it and listen for the sound to be sure all of them operate equally. Everything at the same time. Now, here's the thing. If that didn't happen, if you have the back latch is last, then this is the adjustment that you would work, and you'd loosen these two bolts right here, and then you can turn them and actually lengthen and shorten this up. So it's a trial and error that you have to work with to get this one to operate with all the others. That's what it amounts to.